I got a house over my shoulder. Hey everybody, Erika Page here with the Luxury Living International team, and I got a house over my shoulder. Yep, so Tami and we are in the full swing of real estate season, and we've got about 5 or 6 listings that we are bringing to market. It's a hot time in real estate. Rates are dropping already. Plus, we have our specialty programs that are already reducing rates. We have down payment assistance. We have no down payment grants. Like, it is absolutely wonderful, and I definitely hope you guys take good advantage of it. This pretty thing right here, this 4-size brick home, is coming to market officially on Saturday. We did already send it to our VIP buyers this week, and we got a couple people that are interested. But if it does not sell to one of our VIP buyers, then we will make it public on Sunday. It's in Lilburn, it's in the Brookwood School District, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous home.
Beautiful 5071 Huntshire Lane. We'll walk into the back so we can see the gorgeous backyard. And there's more yard up top. Just use those stairs. Wrap around here. So this is a 3-sides brick home. So it's very low maintenance. Nice patio out here to entertain. Nice yard for the kids. Playset. More space up top. Gorgeous home. Nice big garage. Very, very spacious.
So get at us, talk to us, make sure that you become one of our VIP buyers so that you are able to take advantage of homes just like this that are on the market, so that you can not have to fight other buyers, not have to do multiple offers, and you can get into a home quickly as possible in 2023. Okay, Erika Page, your home sold guaranteed realty, the Luxury Living International team.